Jim Lauden for Lauden Golf. We're going to talk about our most expensive and exclusive putter that we did and milled about 4 or 5 years ago. It's the linear roller. And we actually did this in 4 different models. We have this one right here. It's kind of like an anwer, but it's about 20% bigger than the famous ping anwer. And then we did it in a triple tier, which is fantastic. Let's take a look at the triple tier over here. This is actually the one that gives you a little bit more precision than the full cavity back. But we have them right and left-handed. This is a little bit more precise, a little bit less offset. And what we did is we laser milled an anodized insert into that. And you can see how it fits in there perfectly. It's 100% milled, CNC milled, and we have them both in right and left-handed. We have 3 different offsets, a mild offset at 2 millimeters, a medium offset at 4 millimeters, and a heavier offset at 6 millimeters. This is what we call a semi-heavy putter. I'm sure you've heard of the heavy putter that's been out on tour. Well, if you put that on the swing weight scale, that decks the scale. We don't think that's that good for a better player, so we made these putters semi-heavy. So if you put them on a 35-inch cut and put them on the scale, you're going to find out they run out in the F zone. And of course, that's very good if you're having problems with the yips. It's a little bit smoother when you have a little bit more head weight down there. Again, most putters today are swing weighted at a cut of 35 inches around D4 or D5, just like your normal swinging clubs. So it's a semi-heavy putter, and it comes in 3 different offsets, right and left-handed, and 2 basic designs, a triple tier and the regular cavity back. Triple tier for a little bit more precision putting, and the cavity back if you're a moderate to good putter. They're fantastic putters, and of course these can be cut at any length. We can make them into a belly putter, a sternum putter, and we have many different grips to put on. This is the new reverse grip. It actually gets thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top. That allows your right hand to dominate. So let's take a look at this putter in action. So what we're trying to do when we putt is to move that right side into the ball. So when we're teaching here at Lauden Golf, we're trying to push the right side. And if the ball touches the hole, as it did there on the right-hand side, we consider that a very good putt. The ball goes in the cup, that's good. So always consider your putting very good as long as you can catch a portion of the cup. That's what we're looking for. And of course, the face balancing or toe balancing, we can do that with a little bit of offset. You notice that this is slightly negative balance. The toe is hanging just slightly below the heel. Of course, we can make them slightly negative like Tiger Woods and Lauren Roberts like them, or we can get it face balanced basically for straight in, straight out putting. Or if you're cutting the putt a little bit, we can actually adjust this putter so it's positive balance, so the toe's up. So we can do a lot with this putter. Now this is 100% CNC milled. That's carbon milled, and then it's plated with nickel. That's why it gives it that gold hue. So this is the most expensive way of making a putter, and of course we're experts in fitting it. So give us a call. They normally went for $275. We have them in our catalog at $250, and we have a sale on them at 33% off at $99, built the way you want it done. It's a precision putter. It's a great one.